Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about why stock investing sucks. I do both. I love stock investing. I also love real estate investing, but investing in stocks can really suck. So I want to give you my reasons for why I think stock investing can ultimately suck. But most importantly, I want to talk about the 3 actionable steps that you can take now to take financial control of your lives and become a better investor. Hey everyone, I'm a former engineer that's now turned a full-time investor managing a multi-million-dollar investment portfolio in Canada. I love talking about stock investing, real estate investing to grow multiple streams of income, to build massive wealth, and ultimately design your best life. So if that sounds like you, then you definitely want to hit the subscribe button, that bell notification button, to get the latest and greatest videos coming to you every single week. Because one of my goals in life is to help as many people as possible to take financial control of their lives and ultimately live their best life. So why do stocks suck? Well, the first reason is the huge learning curve to just learn the lingo. The financial jargon is just so overly confusing. There's terms like bull market, which means the stock goes up. Then there's terms like bear market. Well, you can see why. Okay, the bear eats you alive. Okay, then there's dips, pullbacks, corrections, crashes, and every one of those are worse than the last, which means that the price drops even more with each succeeding phase. And then don't get me started with the financial jargon. There's price per book, price per earnings, ROIC, earnings, net income, reading a financial statement. There's so much to learn. It can become overwhelming. Now, the second reason, the stock market is super volatile, okay? Not always, but occasionally volatile, which can cause you madness. How many of you feel like this? You've done a lot of research. You found a company that you really feel like it's undervalued and you feel really strongly about, and then moment you hit the buy button, then very next day it drops, okay? And your heart sinks. I've been investing since my 20s and I still, well, hate that feeling. Now the third reason is, well, the stock market is not for the impatient. So if you are super impatient, you get antsy, then the stock market is definitely not for you, okay? The stock market is for the patient. It's for people who have the time to be in the markets. Time in the market, not timing the market. But you know, there's a lot of investors out there who have really high expectations because, well, maybe this is their first stock market experience and they experience 30, 40, 50% surges in stock price in a matter of months, which actually has never happened, okay? Normally, stocks take time to actually give you rewards, okay? It takes months, years to really play out. So a lot of investors will get super antsy, get super impatient when their stocks don't move. And then they'll do something dangerous like, well, go on margin, which is essentially borrowing money from their brokerages so they can amplify the results, so they can leverage their returns. And yeah, you could check on Wall Street Bets. There's a ton of people making money and there's a ton of people losing money. So again, all I want to say is stock market is not for the impatient. Fourth reason why the stock market sucks is because really, a lot of stocks suck, okay? If you actually peel back the curtain, a lot of stocks, you find that they have, well, not even a product to sell. Maybe their revenues are growing, but their expenses, well, is so high. It's like as if you're making a ton of money, but you keep spending it. What's the point? Why are you making so much money if you can't keep the money? That's the same with these companies. Like a lot of companies can grow their revenue, but their marketing expenses, their employees' expenses, their cost of goods are all skyrocketing. They can't keep the money down, and they're not cash flowing, they're not profitable, or they can't be profitable until 10 years out because, well, they have to reinvest the company for 10 years before they start seeing the reward. So all I'm trying to get at is a lot of companies really suck if you peel back the curtain. And now here are 3 actionable steps that you can take now to become a better investor. Now, the first actionable step you can take now is learn the financial jargon. And this stuff is all free. You could go to a resource that I go to all the time. It's called Investopedia. And if you want to know what price per book is, price per earnings, return on invested capital, well, they go through a very good, detailed explanation of all those terms and gives you examples and even key takeaways on all those definitions. Because I believe it's so critical if you're investing in the stock market to understand what these indicators mean, because you can ultimately become a better investor. Now, the second one is learn to read a financial statement. With a financial statement, you can actually learn this online for free. If you like reading better, then you can search online. People go over how to read a financial statement. Lots of free resources out there. Third one is, well, you can find a course online to really accelerate your learning curve, okay? If you don't have a ton of time, you don't have a ton of time to read books, to watch videos, to invest in yourself because you're a busy professional, you have a young family, I get it. I'm there, okay? I personally have taken tons of courses. I spent thousands of dollars to help myself, well, basically accelerate my learning curve so that I could shorten my investing path. And I've done this for 20 plus years. So if you're looking for a mentor, please just find someone who walks the walk and talks the talk, and someone you can trust, okay, who you can aspire to. Now, I offer a course. It's called the Financial Freedom Course, which is to help people build multiple streams of income, build massive wealth using stocks. And I personally coach this course. So if you're interested in taking the course or want to learn more, sign up in the waiting list below in the pinned comments, okay? The last time I did this, well, it was 1 year ago, and it was sold out. Anyways, I hope you found this video super helpful. All I ask of you is give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, that bell notification button, to get the latest and greatest videos coming to you every single week. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.